oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da, oh, oh. La da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite.
Okay, when you walk in my front door, I have Tucker here. Can you say hi, Tucker? Say hi, Merry Christmas. So I don't have a whole lot of things out here. Keep in mind this is our first year in this house for Christmas, so as the years go I will accumulate more, but I do have more space in this house. So on this table here I just have this Merry and Bright sign that I got from Hobby Lobby. So I got this little tin can with the flickering candle in it at Kirkland's, and it's just a battery operated candle in there. And then I got these florals from Joann's. Joann's and Michael's has really good florals for any time of year, seasonally. They do really good sales, and you can find some really good stuff for really good prices. So that's where I got those. And then down here I got this joy sign from Kirkland's. And that's pretty much all the Christmas I have over here. Just those few things. So over here to the right is my office, and I just have a couple of things in here as well. I have this Merry Christmas pillow that I got. It's just a cover, and it's covering an older pillow. I got these covers on Amazon. I will try and have those linked for you guys in the description box. I got like a pack of 4, I believe. And then these Christmas florals are from, the ones in the planters are from Walmart. They were like 98 cents a piece. And then this little wreath I got at Kirkland's, and it was clearance for $3. And then over here on my shelf I just have those little Christmas trees I got at the Target dollar spot a few years ago. And then I just have this little candle holder. I believe that's a Bath and Body Works candle holder with the snowflakes. So that's all I have in there this year. In years to come I would love to do a tree in here and decorate it with like pink and golds and stuff, but this year I didn't do that. So that's all I've got in there. So if you turn to the left and you come in here, this is Kinsley's little room. She calls this her office. And the kids decorated their little tree. And I got this tree at Target. Let's see if we can get, there we go. I got this tree at Target a few years ago for a pretty good deal, and the tree skirt is from Big Lots a few years ago. And then we have this little how many days till Christmas, and that is not right. They haven't changed it in a few days. It's actually 25 days till Christmas. Today is December 1st when I'm filming this, so we'll have to fix that in a little bit. But I believe I got that at the Dollar Tree, I want to say. Over here, I posted this picture on Instagram, and I got so many people that were in love with my Santa picture, and I love him too. I'm trying to get where there's not a glare. I got him at Kirkland's years and years and years ago, like probably 7 years ago, 7 years ago, no, maybe 6 years ago. And I just love him. He comes out every year. And then down here, I have this Merry Christmas sign. I can't remember where I got this. Let's see if I can see if there's still a sticker. I'm gonna say Hobby Lobby, maybe? I'm not sure where I got this, guys. I'm so sorry. Either Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's, or maybe even Walmart. That's where I shopped this year. And then I got these at the at-home store. I didn't really find a whole lot there. And Kinsley has her little gingerbread man here. I'm not sure where he came from. I think my mom got that for her years ago. And then on this shelf here, I found that joy sign at Hobby Lobby. I believe it was only $15 too, and it's such a beautiful sign. And then here I got the little houses with the like rose gold tops in the Target dollar spot this year. They had gold ones and silver ones as well. And then these little trees are both from the Target dollar spot as well, and they don't match. This one is like glittery, and then this one just has little pine cones in it. But they are the best spot if you can find it to find these cute little knickknacks to lay around, but it's really hard to find things in mine anyways. They're always picked over. So that Merry Christmas sign is from the Target dollar spot a couple of years ago. The Joy sign is from Target several years ago. And I don't know where that Joy pillow is from. I think my mom got that for me. And then the little pillow in the right bottom corner is from the Target dollar spot years and years ago. And over here above the stairs, I just have this Believe sign. I think I got that at not Target, Kirkland's several years ago. And then now we will head into the living room, which is my favorite part. I just love it in here. I think it is so beautiful. I love how it turned out. So we have the Christmas tree. This is from Hobby Lobby. It is a flocked tree. So I just have mostly gold and silver ornaments on it. The girls have a few here and there. Topper at Walmart this year. Over here we have our elves, Heart and Elfie. They come every year around this time. Let me know in the comments if you guys do the elf on the shelf tradition. So over here I have just a few things. I'll start down here. I got that little reindeer. He's a tree topper, but he didn't work out, so he just sits down here. I got him at Walmart a few years ago. And then the little truck I got from Big Lots. It does light up, but I don't think I have batteries in it right now, but the tree lights up. And then I found this at Joann's. I had to think about that for a minute. I found this at Joann's, and then I got the set of the little candles that are like on a timer there as well, and I'll show you where the other two are. It came in a set of 3. And then I got this from the Target dollar spot several years ago, as well as these picks that are beautiful. I could not find any this year. I know they had some because I've seen a few shop with me's where some girls found them, but mine just did not have any. But these are from a couple of years ago. And then I got these pre-lit wreaths from Walmart. They were $16 a piece, and they're on a timer, so they are on for 6 hours and off for 18, so it's really convenient. They come on at nighttime and then they go off right before we go to bed. Okay, so down here I got the little tree on the left at Hobby Lobby, and I believe that the Merry Christmas sign there is from Walmart. I have another one very similar. I'll show you that. It's in the kitchen. And then I got the buffalo plaid blanket from Walmart, and then that is another pillow cover from Amazon. My stockings are from Target last year, and so are my stocking holders up there. So these are the other 2 candles that came in that set, and this All Is Calm and Bright is from the Target dollar spot a few years ago. I also found these cute little, I don't know what you call them, like wreaths kind of, at the Target dollar spot a couple of years ago as well. And this little white house is from the Target dollar spot as well, and there's a little tea light candle in there that we can light at night, and it looks like they have a little fire going in there, which is really cute. And And then I got this blanket here from TJ Maxx last year, and it is the most amazing blanket ever. It's huge and it's so warm. My husband and I can both share it, and I love it so much. So TJ Maxx is the place to go for throw blankets. If you're looking for a new one, I highly suggest going there. And then up here, I just have some flocked garland. I hate it. It's horrible to work with. If you saw my Christmas decorate with me, you know all about it. But I just have it wrapped up there. I don't think I'll be using it next year just because it's so messy. But that is what it turned out like. And then I just have another one of those little houses over here, and then another one of those little trees as well. And then here on my coffee table, this is one of my favorite spots. This is a tray that I got from Kirkland's this year. And then I just have a candle going in there with my Santa boots that are from the Target Dollar Spot, as well as my frosted, I think that's the boxwood plant, is that right? Maybe I'm wrong, is that lamb's ear or boxwood? I don't know. But I got that at the Target Dollar Spot. And then as well as those bottle brush trees back there.
Christmas time, and I want you by my side, darling. So come home, please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to figure this out. Yes, I did, 'cause you left something for me.
Okay, and in my kitchen, I don't have a whole lot in here. Like I said, this is our first year in our house, so I will accumulate things as we live here longer, but I will show you the few things that I do have. So over here, I have this Christmas sign from the Target Dollar Spot. It might be from Kirkland's, actually. I'm just kidding. I think that's from Kirkland's, as well as another one of those little $3 wreaths that I found there. And then the girls made gingerbread houses. I found this gingerbread house at, let's see, I think Michael's, and it was already put together, so it was perfect for Kinsley. She just got to decorate it. And then this one needed to be put together, so it was perfect for Madeline, who is 12, because it required a lot more work and it was fun for her to design it. This Santa warmer is from Walmart years and years and years ago. I've had him forever. I love him so much. And then this Peace on Earth sign is from Joann's. This is from the Target Dollar Spot. And then down here I have this little village house that Madeline got me at school when they were able to use their money to buy Christmas gifts for their family, and I love that so much. It's so special to me. And then that is from the Target Dollar Spot, the fresh cut Christmas trees, as well as this pillow. I want to find better stuff for this buffet, but I just kind of used what I had for now. And the only other thing I have on here is this Fa La 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 that's also from the Target Dollar Spot. So over here on the kitchen table, I have this Merry Christmas sign that is from Hobby Lobby, and another little house from the Target Dollar Spot, and another little tree from the Target Dollar Spot as well. These candles are from the Target Dollar Spot as well, last year. And then I just have this tobacco basket with some winter florals. I got this at Joann's as well. I have one almost identical to this that was in fall florals. So I'm telling you, Joann's is a great place to go if you are looking for greenery or florals. And I do have a hot cocoa bar over here behind me. I'm not going to show you yet. It's not done. I'm actually filming that today, so stay tuned and be looking for that coming on my channel soon. And I'm going to be doing my first ever hot cocoa bar, so I'm so excited to see how it turns out and to show you guys. So definitely make sure you're subscribed so you can see when I upload that. So over here, I just have one of these little stands, and I'll have these linked in the description box of all of my videos. So if you are curious as to where I got it, I'll have it linked for you there. I love them, and I have them all over my house, as you've seen. And then I have my Mrs. Meyer's in the peppermint scent. I love getting the winter scents around this time of year. Peppermint is one of my favorites. And then I just have some more winter florals in this little jar here that I got. All of this from Joann's. Actually, I got this from Michael's, just kidding. And this little tree is from Hobby Lobby, and this Merry Christmas sign is also from Hobby Lobby. The only other place in the house that I have any Christmas is in our room. I have a few things, so I wanted to show you. I have this blanket from Walmart, and then pillow covers again from Amazon, and then this pillow is from Kohl's. And then I just have one little Christmas looking floral right here on the dresser.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this